Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. As the temperatures begin to rise, heading into spring, now is a good time to check your soil's pH level. The best time to correct any irregularities in soil pH is during the growing months, but a couple of simple steps now will allow you to take the appropriate action to have your lawn performing at its absolute best. The analogy we use on the turf farm when it comes to soil's pH is it's like a toddler's mouth. When the mouth is wide open, all the food and nutrient can go right in. If your little one's not playing ball and the mouth is only partially open, not all the food and nutrient will be absorbed and you'll end up with a big mess. The same goes for turf when your soil is not in the right pH range. Your lawn won't perform its best with a soil pH that is too high, 7 to 14, or too low, 0 to 6. A pH between 6 and 7 and your lawn's in heaven. When the pH is exactly where it needs to be, your lawn will be like a wide open mouth that is ready to consume all the available food and nutrient. This ensures your lawn can perform at optimum capacity and will be at full health. If your soil pH is outside of this range, it won't matter what you throw at it, it's going to be an uphill battle to get it performing well, and in extreme cases will end up in quite a mess. So here's how you check your soil's pH. There are a couple options, like this soil pH test kit, or you can try something like this, which is called a combination meter. To raise the pH of soil, you need to add calcium carbonate, commonly used in the form of lime or dolomite lime. By applying this, you will slowly raise your soil's pH. For a soil that is very acidic, you may need 2 or 3 applications to achieve this. For sandy loam soil, you can raise the pH by 1 unit by spreading the equivalent of 150 grams of liming material per square metre. A handful is about 100 grams. Heavy clay soils will need at least 250 grams to raise the pH by 1 unit. To reduce your lawn's pH, you can apply a sulphur product such as sulphate of ammonia. Sulphate of ammonia, when applied at 100 grams per square metre, can reduce your pH by 1 unit. Always irrigate your lawn after applying any of these products, and remember to always follow label rates and instructions. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure your lawn is performing to its full potential. For all your turf needs in Brisbane, visit jimboombaturf.com.au.